If you've ever felt a chilly draft near your front door in winter or noticed your air conditioner working overtime in summer, your door installation may be the culprit. In Phoenixville, where seasonal temperature changes can be noticeable, proper door installation plays a crucial role in keeping homes comfortable, energy efficient, and protected year-round. Many homeowners focus on the quality of the door itself, but even the best door won't perform well if it isn't installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, and poor sealing can all lead to drafts and air leaks that affect your comfort and your utility bills. Why drafts and air leaks are a common problem. Doors are one of the main entry points between your indoor and outdoor environment. When a door isn't properly installed, small gaps can form around the frame, threshold, or corners. These gaps allow outside air to move freely in and out of your home. In Phoenixville, cold winter air can seep inside through these openings, making rooms feel colder and forcing your heating system to work harder. During warmer months, cool indoor air can escape while hot, humid air enters, increasing strain on your air conditioning system. Over time, these air leaks can lead to uneven indoor temperatures, higher energy costs, and even moisture issues. How proper door installation makes a difference. A professional door installation addresses these issues from the very beginning. Skilled installers ensure the door fits precisely within the opening, eliminating unnecessary gaps. This includes carefully measuring the doorway, leveling the frame, and securing the door so it opens and closes smoothly without shifting. One key element is weather stripping. When installed correctly, weather stripping forms a tight seal around the door, blocking drafts while still allowing easy operation. A properly fitted threshold also prevents air from sneaking in at the bottom, which is a common problem in older homes. Additionally, professional installers use high-quality sealants and insulation around the door frame. This extra layer of protection helps stop air leaks that might not be visible but can still have a big impact on your home's comfort. Benefits beyond comfort. Preventing drafts isn't just about staying warm or cool. Proper door installation can also lead to long-term savings. When your heating and cooling systems don't have to compensate for air leaks, they run more efficiently. This can result in lower monthly energy bills and reduced wear and tear on your HVAC equipment. A well-installed door also improves indoor air quality. By keeping outside air, dust, and pollen from entering your home, you create a cleaner and healthier indoor environment, especially important for families with allergies or respiratory concerns. Noise reduction is another added benefit. A tightly sealed door helps block outside sounds, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Why professional installation matters in Phoenixville. Homes in Phoenixville range from historic properties to newer constructions, and each presents unique installation challenges. Older homes may have uneven frames or settling issues that require experienced hands to address properly. A professional installer understands these local factors and knows how to adjust for them. De-installations or quick fixes may seem cost-effective at first, but they often leave small gaps that lead to ongoing problems. Professional installation ensures the job is done right the first time, providing lasting results and peace of mind. A smart investment for your home. Proper door installation is one of the simplest ways to improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall performance. By preventing drafts and air leaks, you create a more consistent indoor environment while protecting your home from unnecessary energy loss. For Phoenixville homeowners, investing in professional door installation isn't just about upgrading an entryway, it's about enhancing everyday comfort and making your home work better for you year-round.